family to do it. But can you trust that?
Wait, what happened?
He said they have, if nobody else in the family want to do it, they have special people they have do it. But who? I ain't never heard of nothing like that. I don't know. I mean, why she come fussing at mama? She know mama don't remember that. And whatever she tell mama today, mama ain't gonna remember it tomorrow. So it don't make sense. She need to go sit down and say, well, do what you gotta do the right thing, and then nobody wouldn't be saying that. That girl just didn't know. Huh? I'm about to call Luris. See what he doing. What's she telling him?
Your phone right now.
Huh?
Your phone up in now.
Yeah. All right, then. I'm on my way to get Des, Emily.
Alright.
All right, bye.
Station, FM 98, WYLD. I'm A.D. Berry coming up. Midnight Star, Mary J. Blige.